Hey there, Bluetooth buddies. If you're fed up with your headphones cutting out mid-song or your speakers refusing to pair with your phone, then this video is for you. We know that Bluetooth connectivity issues can be a major buzzkill, but fear not. In this video, we're going to show you some easy troubleshooting tips to help you get your Bluetooth devices back on track. So grab your favorite pair of headphones, sit back, and get ready to rock with better Bluetooth connectivity. Bluetooth might be an old technology by today's standard, but it is still quite useful when pairing different accessories with your smartphone. These are some common Bluetooth problems and how you can solve them easily. 1. Pairing issues. 90% of the problems you face when using a Bluetooth device is its inability to pair with other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Here are some simple solutions you can try. First, make sure both devices are in pairing mode. This can usually be done by going into the Bluetooth settings on your device. Next, check that the devices are within range of each other. Bluetooth has a limited range, typically up to 30 feet, so if the devices are too far apart, they may not be able to pair. Move the devices closer together and try pairing again. If that doesn't work, try turning both devices off and then back on again. This can often clear up any temporary issues that may be preventing them from pairing. Another solution is to unpair the devices and then repair them. With these troubleshooting tips, you should be able to pair your Bluetooth devices without any issues. 2. Bluetooth not working. If your Bluetooth is not turning on outright, there can be multiple things wrong with it. First, try starting the Bluetooth by going into the settings and pressing the button multiple times. Sometimes, the Bluetooth button takes a while to light up, so be patient with it after you press it. Second, restart your smartphone or tablet and see if anything changes. The hardware may have failed to register after the device remained on for an extended period of time. If all else fails, it is most likely a hardware issue and can only be repaired by a professional. 3. Devices disconnecting randomly. Bluetooth devices can randomly disconnect from each other, which can be. Here are some solutions to try. First, move your Bluetooth devices closer together. Moving the devices closer together can improve the signal strength and reduce the chances of disconnections. Second, check the battery level on both devices. If one or both devices have a low battery, this can cause disconnections. Make sure both devices are fully charged before using them. Third, update the firmware and drivers on both devices. Manufacturers often release updates to improve compatibility and fix connectivity issues. Check the manufacturer's website or the device's settings to see if updates are available. These steps should reduce or eliminate the random disconnections between your Bluetooth devices. 4. Poor audio quality. Bluetooth audio can sound distorted or have a low quality compared to a wired connection. Here are some ways to improve the quality. First, move your Bluetooth devices closer together. As mentioned earlier, Bluetooth signals have a limited range, and if the devices are too far apart, it can cause audio quality issues. Second, try adjusting the audio settings on both devices. Some devices may have settings that can affect the audio quality. Experiment with different settings to find the best audio quality. Third, check for firmware and driver updates. Just like with disconnection issues, manufacturers may release updates to improve compatibility and fix audio quality issues. Check the manufacturer's website or the device's settings to see if updates are available. Fourth, try resetting the Bluetooth connection between the devices. The best tip to consider is using a Bluetooth audio codec that supports high-quality audio, such as aptX or LDAC. 5. Bluetooth not turning on or off. Bluetooth may not turn on or off properly, making it difficult to connect or disconnect devices. Bluetooth not turning on or off can be a frustrating issue. First, try restarting your device. Sometimes, restarting your smartphone, tablet, or computer can help fix software issues, including Bluetooth connectivity problems. Second, check if your device has a physical Bluetooth switch or button. If your device has a physical switch or button for Bluetooth, make sure it's turned on. Third, check the Bluetooth settings on your device. Make sure that Bluetooth is turned on in your device's settings and that it's in Discoverable mode if you're trying to connect to a new device. These are some of the most common Bluetooth issues you may face and how to easily solve them. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech solution videos. Thank you for watching.